What's up, you guys? It's your boy Flacco, OBS Flacco. On today's video, we are going to fix a fucking compressor on the truck, the AC compressor. I had put it new, but I guess it was a bad compressor, so I had to take it off. I got warranty on it, so take it back and get the new one, and then put it back on, and we'll finally have AC, because this heat is fucking hot. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna start working on. So you gotta take this compressor off. So it's still hot. This is a new one, but unfortunately it does not work. I tried taking it to the place to get AC, and it started making noise. So it's a bad compressor, AC compressor. So I'm gonna take it off, go get the new one, and see if that one works, hopefully, because it is really hot. I'll keep you guys updated though. Here's the old one, put it back. As you guys can see, that was a new one, but it didn't work. Gotta put this one back on there, that way I could drive it to the it wasn't O'Reilly's, I think it was fucking Advanced Auto Parts. Yep. That way I could take it back, get my new one, and then I'll take this old one off again and put the new one that they're gonna give me, and hopefully it works. With that being said, let's get to it. Alright, as you guys can see, I took out the new one. No, that's the old one. The new one's right here. I fucking have this shit all torn apart. Yeah, man. It was a bitch to take it out. I was getting mad, but it's already out. Gotta take, that's the old one. That's the new one that didn't work. I gotta take it, get my new one, put everything back together, clean out the engine bay, put my headers back on, and that'll be it, guys. For right now, we're gonna go pick up a front whole bumper for my brother's truck in Sherlock. So right now I have to get a garra, that way it doesn't get all fucked up. Right now el compita Rafita, we're gonna pull up. We're gonna go get that bumper from Valence and all that shit for my brother's 2003 truck. But for now, go pick that up, and we'll just leave this. We'll come back and change it later on. Vámonos, vámonos. Pinche OBS, mira. Pinche dueño, mira. Mira. The rock, mira. A la verga. No prendió, préndela. Ah, cabrón. Pinches, Starlights, mira. Tan perros los cabrones. I got it out. I went to go get the new one. This one better work, cause I'm gonna be pissed. But let's go ahead and put this one on. Well, I had to go get a new one because the other one was fucked up, but got it. Hopefully this shit works now.